Hey guys, Aaron here with the beautiful Ferrari F430. Today we're going to change some air filters. These are the part numbers, picked them up from AW Italian, and if you guys want to use them, you can just use promo code DIY10 and you'll get 10% off your order. They are a fantastic company. Ordered a whole bunch of maintenance stuff, and we're going to do these little airbox filters now. Nothing too fancy, pretty much a standard engine air filter. But of course you're gonna need two of them, one there, one there. All right, mine are just retained by 4 bolts, one on each edge, and mine are flat heads. You don't have to remove anything else. This is flexible here, so once you remove all of them, you can just lift that up. I removed the first one. This is what it looks like. And they do come all the way out of the hole. So this is just the stock box on a 2005 F430. Just going to carefully unscrew them so I don't damage any of the coating or anything. Just remove them. Yeah, I'm still using Porsche screwdrivers. I guess I need a Ferrari set, huh? All right, super easy job. Just take your time. Be careful. All of the 2 minutes that it took. And now. I assumed it would just lift off gently, but well, it's kind of stuck on here. Here, the seal. There we go. Man, it's kind of tough to break the seal. Makes me think that maybe this has not been done before, which would be kind of cool. Right, so I should have just enough room to slide this guy out. Oh yeah, that is pretty dirty. And this car only has 37,000-ish miles on it. I don't know about you, but I'm curious as to what is in here, what the bottom looks like. Interesting. Looks pretty clean, so that's a good sign. If it wasn't, I could vacuum that out. But in case you guys didn't know, air comes in through here. Let me walk you over. You've probably seen this detail before, but that is actually active and functional air intake, not just decorative. So the air comes all the way in there into your airbox, up and into the engine that way. So yeah, there's actually holes in the bottom for, I guess, any debris or water that comes in here to drain down below here. So just a fun little side-by-side comparison, in case you couldn't tell before how dirty that was. And the back side, so now we're just gonna slide this guy in. Pretty logo dirty filter. Over here. Tighter side. Make sure everything's in, nice and even. Line this guy back up. And the filters do have little cutouts around here, I see now, to allow the bolts to pass by them. Get each one started by hand and tighten them down. All right, so you saw I just went around a second time to make sure they were all tight. The first one I started on needed to be snugged down some more, and that one, because as you're going down, you're applying pressure around them. So should be good, nice and even. Just knock out the other side. So if you guys have paid Ferrari to do this for you, and you're brave enough, admit it in the comments and let me know how much you paid for that 2-minute job that we just did. So hopefully this is easy. Do it yourself, guys. Give the video a thumbs up. Hopefully you guys are already subscribed to the channel. Anybody that wants to sponsor and send me some Ferrari screwdrivers, go ahead. See you guys on the next video.